So I've just popped a new window winder on there because it had broken the handle, and I'm going to show you how I did it on the passenger side. So if this video helps you at all, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There'll be some more Vivaro videos coming up. Okay, just a little video, this one. My Vivaro has windy windows and these things quite often break, so I've got a new one to go on. There we go. And these are quite easy to get off if you know how. They're easier if you've got like a proper tool. It's got the two prongs that I use to take off the door trims and things when I'm doing the conversions, but a lot of people don't have those, so I'm just going to use two ordinary little screwdrivers you've probably got knocking about. As long as you've got one flatty, you're probably all right. It doesn't matter what's on that one, and I'll show you how I do it now. What you need to do is get your little screwdriver in there. Hang on, I'm not sure if that, we'll try it from there. Right, see that little gap there, that little bit there, see that gap? What you need to do is get that all pulled all the way around. So with two hands I'm going to pop that out, pop the flat screwdriver in there, lever it out, then I'm going to slide this one into the gap and it'll hold it open all the way around. Then we'll give that a wiggle. Right, so poke that with my finger, leaves a little gap there. I get that behind it and squeeze it round, pop that one down into the gap, and that ring now is pulled all the way across. Then just give this a good wiggle. It might be stiff if it's been there a while. Keep wiggling and you'll feel it pop off. There you go. And you get your new one. Just give it a shove on. There you go. Working window winders again. Told you it was a quick one. It's as easy as that. I'm not sure about the quality of the replacement, so I won't bother putting a link on there. It's a bit off colour, but works a good one. Happy days. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.